Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Selling. Today I will share with you about a new billion project named as NeoPappy. I will share all their detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. It is a serious movement meme coin. So I will share all their detail in this video. So stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to all so that you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So NeoPappy is given here their pre-sale, their white paper, tokenomics, doc, and giveaways also given. I will share all their detail. First of all, you have to connect your wallet to buy that. It is inspired by the deep theme of decentralization resistance to financial operation, and you can see against centralized control. So you have to connect it with your wallet. For connecting that, you have to select the MetaMask or anyone you use, and you can scan that, and you can easily be able to connect it with your wallet. And this is the stack NeoPappy revolution. It is inspired by the idea of memetrics. NeoPappy represent the waking of new class of cryptocurrencies tired of manipulation and saturation. It is a symbolic, aggressive, and cultural dispute battle cry for financial sovereignty. So there is given about that joint rebellion of meme and freedom. Their stage is given where they tell about their pre-sale structure. NeoPappy pre-sale is structured in 16 steps. 0 to 15 is start about 0.05 stage, which is 0. You can see it here. Until token price increase, it is given NeoPappy price. One neo is given is equal to 0.05 423 in stage 0, but in stage 15, which is their end stage, their price will be 0.16. You can easily be able to buy it with Ethereum, BNB, and Base. I will select the BNB. You can even select with the USDT. You have to enter the amount that how much you want to buy. Suppose with 100 you will get 1843.997 NeoPappy. From here too, you can easily be able to buy it. Collection goal about this is 50 million. The token are unlocked every hour after the release. This create a growing gear urgency and reward to first to believe. Each phase jump means a price increase, creating a true countdown pre-sale. So here all the details given. Now I will show you about NeoPappy. NeoPappy is not just another crypto token. It is a movement for genuine financial freedom, decentralization, and disruption of crypto landscape. It is your chance to join the revolution against centralized control and be a part of forefront of unprecedented pre-sale structure that I already shared with you. NeoPappy revolutionary edge are their revolutionary spirit, their design to dominate, and unmatched innovation empowerment through action. So NeoPappy defies meme coin tradition, leading the fight against crypto centralization. Designed to dominate, it acts as NeoPappy is visionary pre-sale lets you shape crypto decentralized future. So they are given about that. You can see the smart contract is audited by Cyberscope, Consult, Certic, etc. So they have given here about that how to buy. You have to do the three simple step. Step one is you have to connect a wallet, use MetaMask or Trust Wallet. You have to connect with Ethereum based or Chain or Binance. Connect the wallet. After connecting, you can go to select the ETH, USDT, or USDC. After that selection, you have to select your amount, approve the transaction, and you can be able to get it. You have to confirm the wallet, and in the step you have to confirm the wallet and you can receive the tokens. Security and audit is given, which is given here. They have a partner with the top security firms to audit their smart contract and infrastructure. They have code transparency. They are committed to open source principle. Read the entire smart contract. From here too you can go, and they have rug pull prevention. It is safe and secure. You can easily be able to make money on it. Tokenomics details is given. They have total supply, which is given here. You can see their total supply of NeoPappy token. All unsold token will be burned, liquidity locked post launch is given here. You can see it here. All their details about that is given. They have the self liquidity. Each purchase and sale triggers an automatic liquidity rate of 2.5%, and liquidity 10%, marketing 5%, ecosystem 5%, 45% is therefore given here. A pre-sale 5% for the giveaway and 10% for the development. The roadmap is given. They have given in the quarter 2 of 2025 they are awakening, and in quarter 3 of 2025 they will go for the ascension. And you can see Furthermore, here they are working on that. They have the FAQs given here. You can read all their FAQs and you can buy it. You can even go and see their social media accounts. I will give all their social media accounts in my video description, so you can easily be a part of my team. You can even go and join them on Telegram, on Twitter, and their link tree is also given. They either stack, Neopappy, or stay trapped in the memetric. So all detail is given. So now I'll further share with you about their community here. So you can see about the stack Neopappy revolution, where they tell about that. You can easily be able to buy that. The governance system Neopappy is fully decentralized protocol governed by its holders using a robust DAO structure. They have a delegation required to vote or purpose. They have a bit of the proposal 1M Neopappy, and they have voting period for 7 days. They have the quorum, which is 5% of the supply. Now time lock control ensure that all decision wait 48 hours before execution. Self liquidity, each purchase and sale triggers an automatic liquidity rate of 2.5%. They have sent directly to the Uniswap, and they have token supply distribution. I already shared that with you too. And if I go further for their white paper, they have the final white paper. You can read their white paper details from here. They have the blockchain and compatibility ERC20 token. It is fully compatible with the all major wallets, uses open Zepline pattern. Smart contracts are immature. You can see all their detail from there. They have the utility and philosophy. Governance is not only cosmetic here, and it is controls the treasury, listing files, liquidity actions, and also the ecosystem concessions. And there is no central control of the team after the launch, only DAO votes. So it is basically the community driven. It's not just a currency, it is a catalyst of cryptocurrencies culture, narrative, and community power. You can read all their details about the expansion and community engagement here. Neopappy is rejected humor on purpose. It's not about the meme to laugh, but about the meme like memetic war. So they are giving that. They have emphasized on the community oriented adoption, and you can see they have the point to point legitimacy too. The pre-sale exception is given about that. So further they have the Twitter is given. I will recommend you to must go and join them on the Twitter. They are sharing their main details on the Twitter too, so you can get to know about their Twitter, and you can see it here. They have given here, so I will recommend you to go and follow them. You can see they have a lot of news which is given here, their price, all that. So it is a good opportunity for all of you to go and buy it, and after that you can be able to sell it in the future, so that you can easily be able to make money on it too. So if you like my video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.